story that we are tracking here on Times Now, and this is a political firestorm that has erupted in the state of West Bengal over the National Register of Citizens after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee claimed that an NRC notice from Assam's Foreigners Tribunal had been served to a Bengali-speaking woman in Falakata. But here's the twist. The woman at the center of this entire controversy, Anjali Sheel, she has denied receiving any such notice. She's spoken to the media and she says that she first heard about this notice through a journalist from Alipurduar. She is confused about all the hullabaloo where her name has been mentioned by the Chief Minister to take aim at the BJP. She is visibly flustered by all the political attention. Now, who is this woman? She's a homemaker. She's been living in Falakata in the state of West Bengal for over 25 years and she's married into a local family. She's a native of Dhubri district in Assam where her parental family still resides. Now she's questioning the credibility of the notice itself, asking how did it manage to reach the media before it even got to her. Listening to the version of the woman in the center of this controversy, a version that counters what the Chief Minister of West Bengal says.
আমার নাম অঞ্জলি শীল।
তো আপনি কি কোনো নোটিশ পেয়েছেন এনআরসি
না, আমি
সংক্রান্ত?
কোনো নোটিশ পাই নাই।
তাহলে কিভাবে জানলেন?
আমি জানলাম কালকে আমাকে আলিপুর থেকে ফোন করছে মিডিয়া থেকে, তখন আমি শুনতে পারলাম।
কি মনে হচ্ছে, এটা কি মানে কি রকম মনে হচ্ছে যে এতদিন ধরে আপনি তো বলছেন?
আমি এটা নিয়ে আমি কিছু বুঝতেই পারলাম না যে কিসের জন্য এটা হইলো।
আপনার বাড়ি কোথায় এমনিতে?
আমার বাবার বাড়ি আসাম।
আচ্ছা, আসামের কোথায়?
আসামে ধুবড়ি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট।
Hridita, there's a twist. The woman whose example was given by none other than the Chief Minister of West Bengal has claimed that she has no idea of this particular notice. She says that I heard about it from when a journalist contacted me. My paternal family lives in Assam in Dhubri, but I did not even get such a notice. So is this fake news that was peddled?
Absolutely. As you see that the Assam versus West Bengal talk that is going on between Assam and between Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, where Mamata Banerjee and her party is continuously saying that the Bengalis are under attack in various parts of India. Now she has brought in a PC dated day before yesterday of an example of this woman called Anjali Sheel, where she stated that she might be an Toposhini who resides in Falakata, and the letter had reached to Alipurduar. So firstly, her information in the location about where her residence stays was completely wrong. Secondly, when Anjali Sheel was questioned yesterday, she has stated that her parental house is in Assam and she was unaware of the fact that she has received such NRC notification from the Assam government, but only got to know when this notice that was spread by the CMO office that day in the PC itself through a media journalist contacting from Alipur. So this is shocking again, as we get to see that the facts that are now being provided by the state is under the scanner, because the facts and figures that they are bringing up to question the status of Bengalis on attacks that have been launched over India are now being proven false, as one after other the victims come out and say that such notifications are completely not in a state of their awareness that they know about. So you see that the facts and figures that the government is providing is now questioned by the opposition and also by the citizens of the very state, West Bengal, where the Chief Minister's facts are under scanner. Back to you.
So there is a back and forth that is on between the Chief Ministers of two states, that is Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Now viewers, remember West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had earlier cited Anjali Sheel's case, the woman's soundbite you just heard. She cited that case as an evidence of the centre's hidden NRC agenda and had threatened to take legal action. Now, it turns out that the woman she cited and the case that she quoted, in that very case, the woman says that I never even got that kind of a notice. I don't know what all this is about, and how is it that the media gets a notice or information about a notice before it even comes to me. The TMC Supremo had earlier accused the centre of using the NRC as a tool to harass Bengali-speaking citizens. So this has been the charge, and the TMC has been going all guns blazing against the BJP and has been accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of using the NRC as one tool to go after Bengali speaking citizens in different states. Now, this is the latest with regards to the Assam versus Bengal face-off over NRC. Let me go across to my colleague Hridita, who continues to stay with us. Now that a video is out, Hridita, how has the TMC responded? Are they going to now come out and say that even the woman in question here, even she's not saying the right things because her example was cited by their own chief minister?
Absolutely. As we contacted Jaiprakash Majumdar, one of the state spokesperson, yesterday after the notifications from the government and Anjali Shield's verified bite had come to surface, we had contacted Jaiprakash Majumdar and he has pertinently said that there might be some notification miscommunication that may have occurred. So how can a chief minister...
Yes, Hridita, I'll come back to you as we talk about how the TMC is responding. But before that, viewers, listen in to how Mamata Banerjee had cited the case of Anjali Shield, who has now denied receiving any notice. Let's listen in.
কালকেও আলিপুরদুয়ারের একজনের কাছে এও তপশিলি সম্ভবত অঞ্জলি শীল নিত্যশীল স্বামী ফালাকাটা কিন্তু চিঠিটা গেছে কুচবিহারে ভুল করে আলিপুরদুয়ারে এবং 19 আর 25 তারিখে লিখেছেও পুরোটা আসামি ভাষায় এবং আসাম গভর্নমেন্ট থেকে এই দেখুন ফরেনার্স ট্রিব্যুনাল কোকরাঝড় এখান থেকে চিঠিটা গেছে বাংলার ব্যাপারে আসাম কি করে হস্তক্ষেপ করে এটা শুধু আনএথিক্যালি নয় আনকনস্টিটিউশনাল ইললিগাল এবং ওরা কিন্তু সীমারেখা লঙ্ঘন করছেন আমি ডাবল ইঞ্জিন সরকারকে বিজেপিকে বলবো নিজে
Now, let's tell you how the Bharatiya Janata Party is responding after the video of Anjali Shield has come to the fore. The BJP is hitting out at Mamata Banerjee, who cited Anjali Shield's case and threatened to take the legal route. She says that what Assam is doing is absolutely unethical and unacceptable. The Bharatiya Janata Party is accusing Mamata Banerjee of creating panic and spreading misinformation with the sole agenda of polarization.
बात यही है, देखिए उस चिट्ठी का सत्यता क्या है उसको देखना पड़ेगा। दूसरा बात है जो आसाम गवर्नमेंट क्यों यही पर चिट्ठी देगा। एक्चुअली बात यही है जो आसाम से उनका कोई कनेक्शन होगा तो अलग बात है, लेकिन पश्चिम बंगाल नागरिक को आसाम गवर्नमेंट क्यों चिट्ठी देगा, इसका जांच होना चाहिए। और जांच होने से आप हमारा जो लगता है जिसमें सारे सच्चाई निकाल के आ जाएगा, लेकिन जब तक इसका पूरा जांच पड़ताल ना हो इस विषय पे कोई टिप्पणी हम लोग नहीं करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन तृणमूल का विश्वासयोग्यता बोल के कुछ नहीं है, वो ऐसा काम बहुत बार किया, इसके पहले भी किया, तो इसीलिए तृणमूल का वो जो चिट्ठी है उसमें कितना सच्चाई है वो भी परख करके देखना पड़ेगा।
And storm over the charges of NRC that Mamata Banerjee has in fact heard is only escalating. With that, it's time for us to take a short break. Viewers, we'll be back. Stay with Times Now.